the humble pen is not dead, or at least the pen is not. Because styluses are still a large market of mobile accessories, Google and 3M have joined USI Universal Stylus Initiative, a group that aims to create a specification of active needle open and non-proprietary. The standard will be designed from manufacturers to create and promote optical pens that are compatible with various touchscreen devices, including phones and tablets. To achieve this, the standard uses bidirectional communication instead of just one. The color preferences of ink and stroke are stored in the touch pen, which can be taken through different devices, while up to 6 optical pens can work simultaneously in a single device. The USI standard supports 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity at the same pressure level as Samsung's S Pen and Microsoft's Surface Pen, and 9-axis inertial measurement to track and accurately track complex movements. There are many styluses in the market. Apple launched its $99 Apple Pencil for the iPad Pro in 2015, with pressure-sensitive technology, very similar to Samsung's S Pen for its Galaxy Note series of devices. Those obviously are not compatible with each other. You cannot use an S Pen with an iPhone, for example. USI intends to change that and allow the same pen to work on different touch devices as long as the device's touch controller complies with the USI 1.0 specification. It is a high goal, considering that it still does not have important players like Samsung, Microsoft or Apple on board yet.